Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about how to create wealth differently? Not through selling, not through risky schemes, and definitely not by working a job that steals your time and barely covers your bills. But if you're like most South Africans today, you are tired of the struggle. You are searching for something real, something that works. Now, my name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm an independent contractor with a company named Dewpoint. I'm not working for them. I'm building my own business, and so will you. Now, here's the truth. Most people are still chasing jobs that offer no security. But jobs don't create freedom, and they definitely don't build wealth. And that's why I want to introduce you to a completely different way of earning. Dewpoint is not new. It's been trading for over 9 years with the backing of major service providers in South Africa. Names you already know and trust. Names like Santam, Sanlam, Old Mutual, Bright, etc. They decided to use their marketing budget in a more cost-effective way and help their own clients to share the information and pay them instead of using brokers, agents, or other field teams or other ways to market their products. But their legal teams are bigger than most companies, and they are happy with Dewpoint's business model. Why? Because it's 100% compliant, innovative, and built specifically for South Africans. But here's what makes it different. You don't sell anything. You don't sell any financial products. And that is one of the major differences. You don't need to manage stock or chase people. You don't need to be a financial advisor or go through tons of red tape. All we do is this. We share information. If someone is open to earning an income, great. Then we send them the info. If not, we move on. It's as simple as that. You see, this is the first time in South Africa's history where ordinary people like you and me can build recurring income through the financial services sector, all without the complications. I've been doing this for years. I started with 0 results, and today I'm earning a growing monthly income and even drive a free car thanks to the system. So, if you are tired of struggling, if you are done with empty promises, and if you are serious about how to create wealth differently, I'm here to help. My number is 082 783 5661. It's also in my bio. Let me send you a short video note or a video that explains how it works. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I help entrepreneurs, professionals, and anyone who wants to earn a recurring income so that they can live a stress-free, debt-free life and start ticking off their bucket list. Let's talk, because there's no retirement necessary. It is not just a dream, it's a plan. Contact me and let's make that plan for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.